So this is my deluxe suite in the Radisson Blue Hotel Shanghai, and I think New World is the name of the hotel. So as you come through the door, there's like a seating area here with a TV, radio, so quite a nice kind of room to kind of watch TV and chill out in. And then you go through here, this kind of corridor area, and there are a couple of the rest is a mirror, but these are cupboards, so with your gowns, slippers, brush and shoe horn. There's a safe in this one, places to hang all of your clothes, and an ironing board and iron, which is always good when you do business travel. So I'm here for work, which is great. Then you've got tea and coffee making facilities, so like free water over here, and then if you wanted to really upgrade yourself to Evian, then it's there. Somewhere to put your luggage, nice big bed, usually pretty good mattresses as well. Then you've got your second TV here, place to hang sort of coats and stuff there. Desk, another kind of cupboard area, and then this seat here if I just want to like lounge around the place. Oh, and this is quite cute, so they've kind of put the slippers out and then they've give you like little truffles, so it's all like nice little touches. And then this is the view, if I just take you out here quickly. So this is like a park view, I think, but this is kind of looking out into the city, so this is Shanghai. Oh, I can't really see because of the light, but yeah, really nice. So this is up on the 7th floor of Park Tower. So there's a Park Tower and a City Tower. Oh, and then, sorry, totally forgot to show you the bathroom. So very nice big bath again. I think I'll be using that. Sink area, towels, bigger towels over here behind. These are the dental kit, combs, shaving, and then all of your shampoos, conditioners, shower gels. And then you go through here and there's the shower. And then through this door is the toilet. So that's all there, everything that you need. And it looks like a pretty comfortable, nice room. Quite big, obviously, for me. I wouldn't usually stay in this kind of place just for my own holiday, because I don't spend a lot of time in the hotels. But when you're on business and you've been travelling for long days, it is quite nice to come back to somewhere like this. So this is a deluxe suite at the Radisson Blue Hotel Shanghai, New World.